Batman, the Teldas areas, the enemy waiting. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Batman, the Enemy Waiting. Und ja, ich bin euer Brandebaki und begrüße euch recht herzlich zu diesem Let's Play. Und wir betreten jetzt das Horrorspektakel Clown-Abenteuer. Ich habe schon jetzt Angst. So. Dr. Quinn wird hier sein, das weiß ich. Es sieht ganz nach ihrem Reich aus. Gut, dann auf geht's. Gemälde. Psycho. Joker. Ha, ha, ha. Also sie hat sich ja schon recht viel. Okay. Ich hasse ja eigentlich. Ich hasse Horrorspiele. Und Geisterbahnen auch. So, nichts mehr zum Anschauen. You're lost. To the heaven to lost. Ha 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 ha. Richtig gestört dieser Bereich.
Oh God, please. You're not making this easy on me, you know? What am I gonna say to Bruce? It wasn't me. I mean, it was me, but it was self-defense. I know it needs work. Stop judging me. Bruce, I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah.
Please, it's not what it looks like. I can explain. Just try and reserve judgment.
Let me see your hands, John.
Don't be angry with me, Bruce. Please, just hear me out.
What happened? Is Harley here?
She left just as I got here. The agents, they came looking for her. They're not supposed to just start shooting, Bruce. They're supposed to say, hands up. I've seen it on the TV.
They just attacked you.
I tried to talk sense into them, but they wouldn't listen. They just wanted blood. Something took hold of me. Something dark and vicious and desperate for survival. I grabbed the nearest thing and started swinging.
You think this is funny?
I'm sorry. I always laugh when I'm nervous. I completely redecorated, didn't I? I wonder what Harley would think of the new color scheme.
You said you hit them with something.
I think so. I just grabbed whatever came to hand.
This woman has a gunshot wound.
Oh, really?
In the back.
Oh, yeah, it's coming back to me now. She was going for her partner's gun, and I just went on autopilot. I didn't stop until I was safe. I've just been sitting here in the dark until you came in.
You can be straight with me, John.
Why wouldn't I be telling you the truth? If I hadn't fought them off, I'd be the one lying in a pool of blood. You believe me, don't you? Because if we don't have trust, what do we really have?
John, there's more to the story than you're letting on.
What the heck? You're supposed to be on my side! I guess I'm an idiot for expecting that, aren't I?
What do you mean?
Whatever this is between us, it's off balance. The goodwill only flows one way, and it isn't towards me. You've made that very clear by now.
John, that's not true, okay? You're imagining things.
Really? Loopy old John's hearing the voices again. Is that it? You really know how to stick the knife in, Bruce. I should have known things were wrong the moment you put that tracker on me. You've been using me from the start. At least have the decency to admit it. The least you can do is come clean about that.
It's not true, John. I care about you. As a friend, I really do.
Say that. We both know that's a lie. You don't even respect me enough to tell me the truth.
John.
John?
I know you can fight better than that. Or do you need your bat suit to really get you in the mood?
What?
You forget I know you, Bruce. The real you. Always hiding behind some kind of mask. Playboy, businessman, criminal. Bat. You can't fool a friend. Someone who really takes the time to look.
John, that's ridiculous. I'm the furthest thing from Batman there is.
No, you don't have to keep your mask on anymore, Bruce. Not with me. Oh, are you gonna make me trot out all the evidence? All right, how about the vanishing act you pulled at the cafe when the bat signal showed up? You don't think I noticed how obvious that was?
You think you can use that against me? As blackmail?
Oh, I would never. We're two threads in the same stitch. Remember, bound together, even under strain.
Then what's your point?
After we raided the agency's convoy, Harley stashed one of their trucks here. And now it's gone, which means she's getting out of town. Across the Gotham Bridge. Let me help you stop her. I'm not asking for much, just a little faith. I swear to you, this was self-defense. One more time. You do believe me, don't you? Still have faith in me, don't you? Your old buddy John?
This is a mess. And we are gonna need to talk about it more. But I believe you. I'm sorry I doubted you, John.
Gosh, Bruce, I'm overcome. I'm sorry I doubted you. But I feel so much better now that we've hashed this out. We've got to catch up with Harley before these murderous agents find her. She's got explosives and the virus. If they start shooting, things could get really exciting.
John?
Oh boy! If I had known these were your wheels, I never would have stolen that beater.
Hat ich diese Kiste nie geklaut? Du hast die Kiste doch gar nicht geklaut, oder? Ja. Ich weiß ja nicht, ob das klug ist, wenn John weiß, wer wir wirklich sind. Und ich weiß auch nicht, ob er jetzt wirklich weiß, wer wir sind, oder ob wir ihn wieder davon abhalten konnten, das zu glauben. Ich hoffe einfach, er weiß nicht, wer wir wirklich sind, weil ich habe eben noch das Gefühl oder die Befürchtung, dass John Doe
Get back! I'll blow this bridge to hell if you don't give me Riddler's blood!
Can't do it, Quinn. Even if I wanted to.
I mean it! The bridge and every sad son of a bitch on it!
The blood is gone! The serum you want is no longer an option! Stand down now! No one needs to get hurt!
I said get back!
You're gonna kill her, Bruce! You're gonna shoot first and ask questions later! I can't just stand here and do nothing! We can't let that happen!
She's got a detonator, John, and the virus. Harley has to be stopped, no matter what it takes.
Please, don't let her get hurt, Bruce. You know what she means to me.
Dann zeig sie ihm mal.
Wayne, about time you showed up. What in the good goddamn is he doing here?
Director Waller, John Doe's, been aiding Bruce's investigations.
This creature's with you?
Yeah, he's with me. So watch what you say about him.
Thanks, Bruce. I know we're in a crisis, ma'am, but Creature is rude. Even if the resemblance is there, it's just not polite to equate humans to, Yeah, we can talk about it later.
Keep him on a tight leash. Harley's making demands we simply can't meet. Her detonator's on a dead man's switch. She lets it go. This bridge is history. This situation is rapidly spiraling out of control. I'm running out of options. Harley is heading towards a cliff, and she's gonna drag all of us with her.
I can talk her off the ledge. Just give me a moment.
She won't listen. All she wants is Riddler's goddamn blood. And that's gone. One of my own people destroyed it. Someone inside the agency. The serum Quinn wanted to make is off the table for good.
Let me try.
Give it a shot, Bruce. See what you can do. Stand down, people. Let him through.
Was willst du, Bruce, jetzt bezwecken?
Well. Bruce Wayne!
Harley?
You made it out of the icebox. Good for you. Should have guessed you were working with Waller. Had me fooled. Up to a point. All I want is Riddler's blood. I get it. I leave Gotham for good. That agency hellbeast says she don't got it, but I know she's lying through her teeth.
The serum you're trying to make, it doesn't do what you think it does.
How do you know about that?
Because I looked into it. It does as much harm as it does good, maybe more. Harley, you're a doctor. You have to understand. It destroys your brain chemistry.
Uh-huh. Sure. You're gonna tell me you love me, Wayne?
Excuse me?
I like a little romance when I'm getting screwed. I'm holding all the goddamn cards. Either they give me what I want, or I play the one that goes boom! I ain't fooling around. I'll do it without a second thought.
You're not thinking this through. Blow the bridge, you'll die. If the explosion doesn't kill you, the agency will.
Bruce, come on. You can do better than that. Harley does not respond well to threats.
If I'm gonna die, it's gonna be on my terms, Wayne. Not some agency hacks.
Stand down!
gonna lose it.
Puddin'?
Let me talk to her. I know her better than anyone.
I'm so glad you're here, baby. These deadbeats want my head on a stick.
You can do it, John. I believe in you.
Ja, ich
Won't
glaube auch
let
an
you
dich.
down. I have everything worked out. Up here. Trust me. I learned from the best.
Okay, just...
Just what?
try and reason with her. She thinks you have her best interests at heart.
Yeah, that was my plan, Bruce. Hey, don't worry about a thing. With all these people watching, how can I not live up to the occasion?
Genau, das ist doch das Problem.
Those two reprobates getting their heads together is a recipe for a disaster. Oh, what were you thinking?
Bruce suggested.
John said it himself. He knows her better than anyone. As long as he keeps her talking, there's still a chance she won't blow the bridge.
There's truth in that. Not enough to inspire confidence, but it's better than nothing. I don't like the look of that. Not one bit. You gotta be kidding. This is going south. We're gonna shut this down right now.
If we interfere now, we could push her right back into Harley's arms.
If we don't, everyone on this bridge will die. Stand by to move in, people. Alpha team, move into flank. Take your positions. Look for a clean shot. What the hell do you think you're doing?
You gotta trust him, Waller. I'm telling you, he'll come through.
With a marriage proposal, maybe. Not a successful resolution to the crisis at hand.
You need to have faith. Stand down.
You backstabbing piece of crap!
Don't struggle, Harley. They think you're a fighter. They're gonna put you in the hole.
I'm gonna rip your head off, you two-timing son of a...
Get her out of here.
How could you, John? You broke my heart.
Bruce showed me how to be good, Harley. In a way you never could.
Thank you for your help, Mr. Doe. You did a great job. The virus, please.
I don't think so. I don't think anyone should have this. Least of all you.
Well then, we'll no longer be requiring your service.
No! What are you doing? He helped us.
You betrayed me after I saved the day! You agency people! You're just the worst!
Find that mech! And get Quinn in the truck immediately! Where's Wayne? I want him secured! Subdue him if you have to!
Überwältigen Sie ihn, wenn nötig. Du läufst gerade auf jemanden zu. Ah, die Action-Szenen sind schon sehr, sehr, sehr cool gemacht.
Thanks, Ruth. It's good to know you have my back.
Eigentlich hat sie es eigentlich gar nicht
John?
anders verdient.
You corrupt pigs. You're supposed to stand for justice, but you're liars and you're murderers and you're so goddamn rude. What the heck? What's wrong with this thing? Come on. Why won't you just work? Yes! That's what I want to see! dead together. You're all going to pay for your crimes. Batman and I, we're going to bring you all justice.
Ja.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Nein! Okay, auf eine Art bin ich ja... Naja. Episode 4, Schurken von Vaudeville. Das war aber jetzt eine schnelle Folge. Joa, du und 64,3% der Spieler gaben John die Gefühle, ein Ordnungshüter zu sein. John wurde hämisch, nachdem du ihm in der U-Bahn-Station sagtest, er solle aufhören, sich selbst zu bemitleiden. Er schätzte deine Erlaubnis, Harley selbst zu finden. Du hast dir Johns Vertrauen verdient und er hat geschworen, dass ihr beide Gotham gemeinsam aufräumen werdet. Irgendwie vertraue ich dem Ganzen nicht. Du und 57,3% der Spieler ließen Avesta nervös zurück. Sie war erleichtert, dass du ihr die Weitergabe deiner Identität an Waller nicht übel genommen hast. Sie war verständnisvoll gegenüber deiner pragmatischen Auslegung von Batmans Kodex. Sie war von deiner Besorgnis erfreut, als du sie von der Zerstörung von Riddlers Blut gewarnt hast. Nervös zurückgelassen. Du und 53% der Spieler ließen Tiffany nachdenklich zurück. Tiffany fühlte sich feierlich, als sie von Batmans Kodex erfuhr. Tiffany war nachdenklich wegen der Diskussion über Batmans Kodex. Das war auch eine Szene. Du und 71,5% der Spieler ließen Wally stinksauer zurück. Zu Recht. Waller gab Beistand, als du auf Harley fokussiert warst. Waller war irritiert von deiner Empfehlung, die Technologie von Sanctus lieber nicht einzusetzen. Sie wurde stinksauer, als du auf der Brücke für John Partei ergriffen hast. Ich bin sauer geworden, wo sie erst das erste Mal aufgefallen ist, ins Bild gekommen ist. Du und 75,1% der Spieler ließen Alfred stolz zurück. Alfred war zurückhaltend, als du seine Krankheit angesprochen hast. Du machtest ihn fröhlich mit der Erwähnung eines Urlaubs. Alfred war stolz als du Tiffany Batmans Kodex näher gebracht hast. Ach, ich liebe es, wenn Alfred stolz ist und zufrieden. Ich mag es nicht, wenn er unhöflich, also wenn er traurig ist. Hast du den Regler für Freeze gedreht? Du und 94,7% der Spieler drehten den Regler für Freeze. Da muss ich sagen, das war eine Bitte, die konnte man ihm einfach nicht abmachen, weil schon bei dem Gespräch wegen der Technologie, wegen seiner Frau und so weiter, habe ich schon gespürt, dass er eigentlich ein Herz aus Gold hat. Ne, ganz so war es nicht, aber ein gutes Herz eigentlich hat. Und darum fiel mir das gar nicht schwer, diese Bitte von ihm wahrzunehmen. Ja, und die Mehrheit hat das auch so gezeigt. Hast du John allein nach Harley suchen lassen? Du und 86,9% der Spieler haben John alleine nach Harley suchen lassen. Auch da muss ich sagen, auf eine Art ist er unberechenbar, aber auf eine andere Art muss man sagen, dass man ihm doch momentan noch vertrauen kann. Und das habe ich in dieser Situation auch gemacht. Ihm vertraut, dass er uns wirklich hilft, Harley zu finden. Du und 94,7 und ja, das ist wie schon gesagt, das war eine ziemlich kurze Episode, denn das waren glaube ich 2 oder 3 Folgen, weil wir jetzt gespielt haben. Auf jeden Fall war es da schon wieder. Vielen Dank auf jeden Fall fürs Zuschauen und die letzte Episode, die startet demnächst. Episode 5 und wie die ausgeht, bin ich sehr, sehr gespannt. Bis dahin, vielen Dank und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!